Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will do some grouping and then we will try to achieve the same result in DAX Studio. So we just need to write here one column, total sales, and sum. And we need to add the other one under group by. So we need to execute it, and here we can see we are getting 130 rows, and these are the total sale group wise, category, subcategory, product name, and color wise. And we need to achieve the same result in DAX. It's very easy. Just go to the DAX Studio, and this whole query is returning us a table, and we need one function here that is called add columns, and the first parameter for this column is this table, and then we need another additional column like total sales, and it will be SumX. The column name is sales, and we have sales amount, and we need to close it, and we just need to click run. And here you can see we are getting category name, subcategory, product name, product color, and the total sale is everywhere same. The problem is this is the add column is an iterator, and everything is under row context, and we need some kind of filter context. So for the context transition, we need to use calculate, so that with each row we can get the equivalent filter context. Need to close it, and now if I run this query, and here you can see we are getting the same result that we have seen here. We are getting 60,398 rows, but in the Management Studio we are getting 130 rows. So it means we are having a lot of duplicate. So what we can do is we just need to write here distinct, and distinct needs column or table expression, and now we need to close it. If I again run this query, see we are getting 130 rows. So everything looks good. So we can achieve the same result with the summarize function. So what we can do for the summarize function, we just need to, we don't need distinct, and we don't need add columns. So we need let me delete this one, and try to run it. So here I'm getting all the related the relevant rows, and we have select column, natural inner join, and some custom column here. So I need to write here summarize, and summarize takes one table. So this is one table, and then I need to add some column that I have to use for the group by. So the first column here is category name, so this is the category name. Then we have this subcategory name, because this is a new table, and then we have subcategory name, product name, and the last one is product color. So if I run this query now, so I'm getting 130 rows and all the columns, category name, subcategory, and product color, but I need total sale as well. For this, I have to write one label, total sales, and then I have to use SumX. The table is sales, and then we have to use sales amount. And if I try to click run, and here I'm getting all the relevant sales stuff. So here we don't need to use calculate, because whenever you use a summarize function, there is no need for the context transition. Remember one thing, whenever we use select column works under the row context. That's why we need context transition with the help of calculate, but we don't need calculate for the summarize function, because summarize works under the filter context. That's all. That how we have achieved the same result with the help of add columns and summarize.